Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Solve this problem, we will draw the Otto cycle PV diagram first, as I am drawing here. So let us draw the diagram. Just after that we will solve this numerical. Here it is P and here it is V. So the process is 1, 2, 3 and 4 as I am showing here. Now we will use the properties of air to calculate some data. After that we will solve further processes. So just write properties of air. We have T1 is equal to 540 R, U1 is equal to 92.04 BTU per IBM, VR1 is equal to 144.32, T3 is equal to 240 R, 2400 R, U3 is equal to 452.7 BTU per IBM. Now VR3 is equal to 2.419 and applying isentropic relation here to process 1 to 2, we can get VR2 by VR1 is equal to V2 by V1 or VR2 is equal to VR1 into V2 by V1. So just put the given value 144.32 by 8 is equal to 18.04. Using the interpolation, specific internal energy U2 can be calculated as 209.05 plus 216.53 minus 209.05 under bracket 18.04 minus 18.51 by 16.93 minus 18.51. On solving, we get U2 is equal to 211.275 BTU per IBM. Now we will solve the further value of this numerical. Applying isentropic relation to process 3 to 4 or VR4 by VR3 is equal to V4 by V3 or VR4 is equal to V4 by V3 into VR3. Just put the given value VR4 is equal to V1 by V2 into VR3 is equal to 8 into 2.419 or VR4 is equal to 19.352 as calculated above. Specific internal energy using interpolation we can calculate. U4 is equal to 201.63 plus 209.05 minus 201.63 under bracket 19.352 minus 20.29 by 18.51 minus 20.29. On solving, we get U4 is equal to 205.54 BTU per IBM. Now we will solve A, that is Q in is equal to U3 minus U2 by is equal to 452.70 minus 211.275 is equal to 241.425 BTU per IBM. That is our Q in. Now solve problem number B. Q out is equal to U4 minus U1. Putting the above calculated value 205.54 minus 92.04 is equal to 113.5 BTU per IBM, that is Q out. Now NTH, that is efficiency, is equal to 1 minus Q out by Q in. Just put the above calculated value 1 minus 113.5 by 241.425. So our efficiency will be come as 0.5298 is equal to 52.98%. That is our answer. I hope you like it. Now we will solve problem number C. And Carnot, that is efficiency of Carnot, is equal to 1 minus TL by TH is equal to 1 minus T1 by T3 is equal to 1 minus 540 by 2400. On calculating, we get 0.775 is equal to 77.5%. That is our answer.